This strategy is stupid simple, but it makes me over $1,000 every single day. And by the way, here's a trade I took today, over $800, and I'm gonna explain it to you in this video. So first we're gonna go to the trading view, and this is the setup that I look for every single morning, a huge explosion at market open. You see this time and time again, every single day on certain stocks. Let me show you guys the stocks, how to find the stocks that actually do this. So first you're gonna add aftermarket, pre-market into your chart. You're gonna go down into here, session at extended trading hours. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna go on daily time frames, and you're gonna find a level of the stock where the stock like goes up and rejects off it, rejects off it, rejects off it. And then for example, like we're consolidating whatever, and then you start seeing bullish momentum coming up to this level. And then what we're looking for is a breakout of this level. And when we do break out, we're almost guaranteed a pop. And that's exactly what you saw with this trade right here, guys. As you guys can see here, this bottom line right here is a level I charted out on the daily chart that we reject off of multiple times. So when we do break out of it, it should be a big explosive move. And we start holding it as support. So we're not breaking out of this. We start forming another range above this. And this is because in the previous day, there is a resistance level right here, guys. We reject off of this level right here, guys. It's a little bit laggy, but this is the level we reject off of. And then what I'm looking for is it to respect this level inside of pre-market. As you guys can see, we do that exactly right here. And then what I'm looking for the first 5-minute candle to open, guys, is a 5-minute momentum candle. This is a candle with a huge body and a little wick, and I wait for that 5-minute candle to close. And then right as that 5-minute candle closes, guys, I get into out of the money option calls, and I put my stop loss pretty tight. You can put your stop loss pretty tight because it is a momentum candle. We should keep on going up. We're almost guaranteed a pop. And if it doesn't, that means the momentum candle was invalidated. Okay, so what you do after you buy, you start scaling out. The IV is pumping, everything's pumping. 30% gain, 50% gain, 100% gain, 150% gain on these 0 data expirations. We're selling half of our contracts at every single price target to scale out of our position because eventually the stock is going to fake out. And you want to do this because most breakouts are actually fake outs. And if you scale out of your position with the strategy, you will profit off of fake outs. So if you guys want to know how to find these psychological levels that break out and find stocks that break out like this literally every single morning and profit off of it, comment bias and I'll send you my exact daily bias guide to find when the daily bias is going to be bullish and these stocks absolutely explode. So comment bias and I'll send you that exact daily bias guide to you completely for free.